Hello kids, how are you all? So we were doing our second chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. Rational numbers we have completed, and we have also seen different types of equations of this chapter. So far we have done 11 assignments, and ensure that all these 11 assignments are in a different notebook. Means you should have a separate notebook for maths. If till now it was common, then take your time and please copy all the 11 assignments in a separate notebook, and from now on continue in that notebook only. Means for maths, similarly for every other subject, you will have one notebook. Okay, suppose any one of you have done it at some other place and need to copy it, so don't feel bad for it. It will ensure that you have revised the chapters, so it will be a revision for you, and those who have done, they should also revise. So now moving on, today we will further move into our chapter on linear equations in one variable. Okay, last time we did some questions, statement questions, and based on that question I have given you some questions to solve. So today, before moving on, I am going to explain two questions of previous class that I had given you as an assignment. Although I have given you the solution, but then also I am going to explain it so that if any one of you is having doubt, then it is clear. And at the same time, I would like to say that whatever doubts you are having, you are free to ask. Don't feel hesitate. So let us start with it. I have written one question over here. Some of you or most of you have done it. Some of you have not understood. So those who have not understood, they can see it. Those who have understood, they should also see, so that they are clear with the easiest way. Okay. The question is, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. There is a person by name of Shobo, and Shobo, okay, let us take it, her to be a girl, Shobo. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Means if Shobo is 2 years old, okay, let us take Shobo is 10 years old, then mother is 10 into 6, 60 years old. Shobo is 3 years old, mother is 18 years old. Means Shobo's age is 6 times that of Shobo. Also, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, we need not to think, they have written his. So Shobo is a boy. Name is like that, you cannot predict. So Shobo is a boy. They have written his mother's age. So Shobo is a boy, and his age 5 years from now, after 5 years, there is some relation given between the age of Shobo and mother's present age. Some relation between present ages of mother and child. Boy, mother, their age, and some relation between their ages has been given. Two relations have been given. One is according to their present age, and one is age after 5 years. Relation between their ages, their present ages is given, their age after 5 years is given. And now, based on these, they are asking what are their present ages. They have not given it straight away. Now, based on these relations, they are asking what are their present ages. As I told you earlier, first thing is that you should be clear with the statement, then only you can proceed. So we have seen what the statement is about. Now let us move forward. Okay, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So if you take Shogo's age to be some variable, so her mother's age would be 6 times that variable. We are not having the age of Shogo. So we are having age of Shogo, nor we are having age of mother. So obviously we have to suppose it. Suppose it means we have to take a variable for it. Now variable you can take for Shogo's age or Shogo's mother's age. Now, okay, most of the time we are taking some variable x. Let us see the solution. Let age of Shogo or Shogo's mother be x years. Both could not have equal age. I have written because we will suppose x for one of it, either for Shogo or Shogo's mother. Suppose we suppose age of Shogo to be x. Shogo's mother. Suppose we suppose age of Shogo to be x. Then age of Shogo's mother will be 6x. 6 times of x. This is what we are getting. Shogo's mother's age is 6 times Shogo's present age. And if you suppose Shogo's mother's age to be x, so Shogo's age will be x upon 6. Because Shogo's mother is 6 times. So 6 times of x upon 6 will come out to be x. So out of this, the point is that I am getting both, that so that you can compare which one is better for you. Here you easily said, okay, Shogo's age is x, then Shogo's mother's age is 6x. But over here, if you suppose Shogo's mother's age to be x, then you are having a difficulty to find Shogo's age because they have not given the relation. So Shogo's mother's age is dependent on Shogo's age. So we have supposed Shogo's age to be x and mother's age came out to be 6x. So let us suppose, let present age of Shogo. Let present age of Shogo be x years. It implies present age. Okay, let us be a little more clear. According to question, present age of Shogo's mother, present age of Shogo's mother is 6 times Shogo's present age. This is what they have given. So present age of Shogo's mother will come out to be 6 into x, that is 6x. 6 into x can be written as 6x. Age of Shogo after 5 years. Then they have given one more relation based on their age. After 5 years, 5 years from now means after 5 years. So age of Shogo after 5 years will be x plus 5. And what the relation they have given over here, understanding the statements is very important. So the statement is Shogo's age 5 years from now. We are having Shogo's age 5 years from now will be Shogo's age after 5 years. Will be means is equals to 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3, this is what we call 1/3, mother's present age. Okay, Shogo's age after 5 years, we know it is x plus 5. Mother's present age, we know it is 6x. Whether I write this multiplication sign over here or not, it doesn't matter. Now we are having this linear equation having variables on both sides. Just solve it and we will get our answer. The way I told you that before transposing, ensure that you have solved left hand side as well as right hand side as much as you can. Left hand side is x plus 5. X plus 5 we cannot do anything further. So it implies x plus 5 is equals to, this is right hand side as 1 upon 3 of 6x. Means here we can do something. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So it came out to be 2x. Now if I transpose this x over there, 5 is equal to 2x minus x, it implies 5 is equal to x. So what is x? Shobo's age, present age of Shobo be x here, therefore present age of Shobo is equal to x is equal to 5 years, and present age of Shobo's mother, it is given equal to be 6x, that is 6 into 5 is equals to 30 years. So this is what we have got. Shobo's age is 5 years and mother's age is 30 years. So in this way we can solve this question. This question most of you have already done. So this was explanation so that it is easy for you to do such questions. Let us see one more question before moving further.